This is Mary at minialbumscraps.ning.com, and I'm going to share with you today the tickets, ATCs, and tag swap at Mini Album Scraps, and the theme was bird cages and butterflies. And first I'll show you the tickets. And first altered ticket is by Kamisha Anthony. And that's her ticket. Really pretty. So that's by Kamisha. And this one is by Christine Harris. This one's by Jennifer Waller. And this one is by Amaryllis Casanova. So that's our tickets, and I'll be back with the others. Okay, I'm back with the ATCs, and the first one up is by Paige. There's Paige's information, and she made one for me, so this is the one that she made me. Thank you, Paige. How do you count? Okay, there's 4, so I see one was for me. Thank you. And then next up, this is by Amaryllis. I'm just going to show one, even if they made 3 different ones. This is really cute trim here and butterflies. This one's by Julia Scaveras. She gives everybody a candy. I think these are Jolie's. Some of the theme was bird cages and butterflies. That's by Julia. This one's by Kamisha Anthony. It's a pretty bird cage with the pearls down here. Very pretty, Kamisha. And this one is by Valerie Waters. And she gave everybody, this is an extra little butterfly here. A colored butterfly. Let's see. That's Valerie's information. Thank you, Valerie. And this is by Christine Harris. And the last one is by Sherry Kisling. And this is her presentation. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh, I just love the flower. And let's see. There's her ATC. Isn't it gorgeous? Wow. That's all I can say is just like, wow. She's like so talented. I've seen some of her other work, and she's great. Plus she's really, really sweet and really nice. So thank you for playing in this one, Sherry. And that's the ATCs, and I'll be back with the tickets. Okay, I'm back with the tags, and these are the chunky tags, and the theme is still butterflies and bird cages. And first up is Jody Ferguson. This is Jody's tag. She did 3 different ones. That one, this one, and this one. And they're all just beautiful, beautiful tags. They're gorgeous, Jody. I hope you keep swapping, and I hope you're having fun here with us. And Jody sent me this big old bag full of goodies. There's tons of stuff in here. Some wooden like coasters, but I think it must be a wooden album. Washi tape and all kinds of fun stuff. So thank you for that, Jody. I'm kind of hurrying through these slides because I've been doing this all day and I'm tired. Okay, not that you care, but I'm just letting you know if I seem rushed, that's why. Val Waters, this is her tag. She's Crop with Val at sbcglobal.net, V Waters. Trudy. These ladies tie them up. It's like, huh. Let's see if I can get them out of here. Oh wow, she has it like tied in a knot. Check that out. Trudy. I don't even have a way to get this undone. So I'm going to have to skip yours, my dear, next time. Mamie. This is Mamie's. In her Mamie style with all of her lace. Very pretty. And it's Mamie Lou Jaden. There's her information. My battery died. I had to go recharge it. So I'm on a mission here. Christine Harris. This is Christine's. Very pretty, Christine. Great job. And X Montano. This is X's. Beautiful. It's gorgeous, X. Oh, her bird cage is out of acrylic. You can barely see it on there. That's really pretty. Really pretty X. Thank you for participating. And then we have Jeannie Bernard. It's really pretty, Jeannie. Oh, she gave everybody one of the magnets. She gave me the magnets. Look, her name's on them. But aren't they pretty? Really, really pretty. We got, oh, how clever. It's like a business card holder that's clear, and you put that in there. That's a great idea. Beautiful, beautiful. And Julia. Ooh, M&M's. This is Julia's. Beautiful as always. Julia Scabaris. And I think I showed you Karen Sherry's. Hers was first, but you know what? I really like the way she has this canvas back here. I have trouble layering, so I'm always looking at stuff like that. And last up are mine. And I'm, like I said, I'm not real good at this, but I try. So this is the first one I made. Then I made two simpler ones. Julia kind of helped me with this, I have to admit. We Skype, and so the butterflies are on here with the streams and the flowers and the lace. And that one's by me. So I finished up all these swaps, ladies. There was like, like 6 or 7 of them today. I videoed. Got most of them packaged up, just the tags, tickets, and ATCs I still need to get swapped out and packaged. So hopefully I'll have these all in the mail to you by Monday. And thank you for participating. Bye. I'm back. That one that I couldn't get open, I just realized was for me, and so I cut it. And it was by Trudy Griffin, and this is her beautiful tag. And since she made it for me, I was able to cut it so I could share it. And I don't know if everybody got these or not, but she made these pretty flowers too. Alrighty, till next time, thank you. This is Mary at minialbumscraps.ning.com.